Hello and welcome back. I'm Matt Sell for the Enerpac Academy. In this video, we will review how to use a model number and date code to order spare parts from the correct repair part sheet. Enerpac repair part sheets can be found on enerpac.com in the Support tab. Under Tech Docs, you can look up the appropriate repair part sheet by model number, document number, description, or category. The easiest way to pull up the correct repair part sheet is to input the model number found on your Enerpac product. Once you select your model number, you will see the available literature. The type designated as RPS is the repair part sheet. You may see more than one option. This is where you need to use the date code assigned to your product. You can find it on the same location as the product number. The most recent or common date code starts with a letter. The first letter is the revision level of the product, followed by 4 numbers, and ends with a letter or letters. Based on the literature that comes from the search, look at the date code field to find the revision of your product. Select the repair part sheet or RPS that matches. If you're not able to find the correct repair part sheet or RPS, or it is unavailable, contact your regional Enerpac representative. Over the years, Enerpac has used different date code formats to distinctively identify its products. Some of the older versions have only 3 or 4 characters, but the first letter in all versions stands for the revision level of the product. You could follow the same process with the shorter date codes as well. Here are some of the places that you can find the model number and date code on your Enerpac product. Cylinders near the advanced coupler. Steel hand pumps on the reservoir. Composite pumps stamped in front near the outlet port. Electric and air pumps on the sticker or the nameplate. Torque multipliers on the stem. GT tensioners on the side of the tensioner. S-series wrenches on the sticker or nameplate. W-series wrenches on the sticker or nameplate. If you do not find a date code, contact your regional Enerpac representative. We encourage you to review your Enerpac product and get accustomed to recognizing your date codes to ensure Enerpac is able to provide you with the service you need. For more information, contact your regional Enerpac representative, or please go to www.enerpac.com for further information and support. I'm Matt Sell for the Enerpac Academy. Thanks for watching.